How's it going, guys? This is Mr. JP from the Boys and Girls Club. Just this week's theme is on the farm, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit of what I have here going on as far as gardening, some of the stuff that I've planted in the past couple weeks. So hopefully you enjoy this video. First of all, I just wanted to show you some of the trees that I've planted, and also I planted some tomatoes. Let's take a look. One thing every garden needs is soil, dirt, potting mix. This is some stuff we just got today. These are some of the plants that we got. Aloe vera. Check it out. So this is right here is a key lime tree. It has really good limes. We got a nice rose bush. These two plants right here are jalapeno plants. So if you like jalapenos, this is one of tomato plant that I planted. As you can see, you already got a tomato coming out right there. I'm gonna have to water it, give it some more water. Strawberries. I want to say this is some zucchinis right here. This is a jalapeno, and these are tomatoes, I believe. This tree right here is a lemon tree. It was dying, but I'm trying to bring it back to life, so it looks like it might come back. We'll see what we could do. We got chickens back here. This tree right here is actually a mixture of different kinds of fruit. There's actually 5 different kinds of fruit on this tree. It's actually already growing some fruit, as you can see, a lot of fruit. This right here is a fig tree that I got. And this right here is a pomegranate tree. We got some strawberries, more tomato plants. As you can see, they're growing. This right here is a cactus. If you're Mexican, you eat cactus with tomatoes and onions and different salsas. More aloe vera. Over here we got avocado tree. We got a Japanese maple tree right here. We got this nice floral tree right here. Another avocado tree. And another floral tree. Really nice. Look at that. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and have some fun. Try to grow some little plants or pot some little seeds, see what you can grow. Just put it in the sun, put some water, and watch it grow. See you guys. Take care.